Earthquakes are amongst the most catastrophic natural events. Managing tools include early warning, rapid response, and operational forecast, but are often only used in academia. There is a need to bridge the gap between academic tools and their practical application. Beta 80 Group partner with universities and research centers in the TURNkey project founded by the Horizion2020 Program. The project has three components. 1. A low-cost sensor measuring acceleration and displacement. 2. Algorithms for early warning and damage estimation. 3. An innovative disaster management platform. The third component is the TURNkey platform, a crisis management platform for seismic risk. The platform can support an organization before an earthquake with functionalities of operational earthquake forecast, immediately after an earthquake through the feature of early warning and rapid response, allowing to estimate damages in minutes. For the aftershocks were early warning features designed specifically for rescuers. In the first 2 minutes, it identifies the epicenter and magnitude. It also calculates the intensity map and the shake map. In 5 minutes, it provides details on damages and functionality loss of relevant infrastructures and geo area. It defines and activates the proper measures and communications needed for earthquake response. In the event of an aftershock, it sends a warning message to the rescuers. It also has a safety check function to tell that everything is in order. It helps rescuers collect reports from the area to verify the actual damages. Through its simulation function, you can assess the area's vulnerability and carry out training exercises. Beta 80 Group proudly brings you a state-of-the-art platform to support agencies in the management of seismic events, including these features in its Safety1st Platform.